Okay, going to be doing a box of 2008 Rookie Progression. I also have 2 boxes of 2006 Rookie Debut Football. I'll be doing those later. Check this. First pack. Troy Aikman. We have a Dorian Bryant rookie card. I have, there's some PC, a Dan Connor. Not numbered. And the Brian Brom. Okay, second. Second pack. Okay, base. There's an autograph. Early Bissett the Third. That's a nice autograph. And we have a Tom Zabransky rookie. Not numbered. And a Mario Manningham rookie card. That's a pretty good autograph. Okay. John Elway, Brian Grant, Frank Gore, the Steve Young card, numbered 174 of 299. I don't know if you guys can see that. And a Canvas Campbell rookie card. Okay. Some more base. Adrian Peterson base. JP Lozman. There's a Vernon Gholston rookie. And it's numbered 91 of 199. Vernon Gholston. Pretty nice card. Another PC card. Dan Connor base rookie. Marion Barber, Sean Taylor, Bernard Berrien. Okay, we have a rookie insert, Cedric Ellis. Okay, this is the last card, camera. I had to redo the camera. Okay, there's John David Booty rookie card. So far, 1 hit. Davis Jackson rookie card. Okay, Jerry Snowwood base. Anthony Gonzalez base. Tavares Jackson, that'll be numbered. Is numbered 28 of 389. And a Jonathan Stewart rookie card. Have a hit in this pack. Kyle Bowler, Derek Mason, a Vince Young, and we'll start from the back. Colt Brennan rookie. Okay. And the hit is a Savage jersey, Dontrell Savage. Dontrell Savage, 149 of 179. Dontrell Savage. Okay. 2 hits. I don't really like the jerseys in these. I like the autographs. The jerseys are kind of new. Well, it looks like we got our... Oh, nope, no hit in this pack. Alright. Greg Jennings, Eli Manning, Justin Fargas, a Ben Roethlisberger Legends card, and it's numbered 37 of 50. Ben Roethlisberger. And a Xavier Adibi rookie card. Okay. Base. base. There's a jersey, a Randy Moss jersey card. That's not too bad. And it's numbered 119 of 199. That means I got one more autograph coming yet. And a Kevin Smith rookie card. That's about half a box yet. And what is it? Maybe I'll get lucky and get a couple more. And base. Philip Rivers base. There's a rookie insert of Dorian Bryant. And a Jake Long rookie card. Okay. And a Wes Welker. Okay, DJ Hall rookie, not numbered. And a Earl Bennett rookie base. Chris Cooley, Santonio Holmes, Damien Hurd, another rookie insert, Dontrell Savage, not numbered, and a Mike Jenkins base rookie. Try to do this a little quicker here. Okay, base, there's a rookie insert, Dominic Rogers Cromartie. Not numbered. And a Dennis Dixon base rookie card. Still looking for one more autograph. Maybe we'll get lucky and pull a triple auto. Randy Moss. And Daniels. And the Scram. Santonio Holmes veteran card. Numbered 91 of 299. And a Donnie Avery base rookie. Got about 5 more packs after this one. So hopefully it'll be coming here soon. Gonzalez, Hasselbeck, Sidney Rice, Bobby Ingram, that'll be numbered. 92 of 299. And a Darius Bowman rookie card. Okay. Hits in this pack. Thomas James, Ronnie Brown, Brandon Jacobs. Oh, no, it's not. Terrell Owens. And a Matt Ryan base rookie card. Okay, a couple more packs. Okay, Lawrence Robinson, Steven Jackson. Steve Smith, Willis McGahee numbered 39 of 99. And a Chris Johnson base rookie card. Okay, 3 packs, including this one. Josh McNown, Jeff Garcia, there's a Brady Quinn. Jamal Lewis, number 319 of 389. And a Justin Forsett base rookie. Okay, autograph's got to be on one of these. Okay, Cutler, Bruce Davis, base rookie. Patrick Willis, John Beeson, going to be numbered. 345 of 389, and a Ray Rice, base rookie. Okay, autograph. Okay, last pack. Autograph has to be in this. Or I'll be giving Tops a call. Okay, Andre Johnson, Antonio Gates. All right. Jake Long rookie autograph. I have the other autograph, him, and this is the original autograph. Numbered 130 of 299. That's a nice autograph. No sticker. Darrell Robertson rookie and a Reggie Smith rookie. That's it for the rookie progression. I have 2 boxes of rookie debut yet to do.